In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download video in 720p in Canva. If you're sharing content online and want a solid balance between clarity and file size, 720p is a great choice. It's considered HD, looks clean on phones and laptops, and keeps your downloads quick and lightweight. Start by opening the project you want to export. Make sure you're on the design you finished editing and you're happy with how it looks and plays in the editor. When you're ready, move to the top right corner of the screen and click the Share button. This is where Canva keeps all export options. In the menu that opens, select Download. You'll see a panel with settings that control how your video is saved. Next, set the file type. Look for the file type dropdown and change it to MP4 video. MP4 is the standard for most platforms and devices, and it preserves both your visuals and audio with good compression. If it's already set to MP4, you're good to go. Now adjust the quality to 720p. Find the quality section with a slider. By default, Canva may suggest a higher resolution like 1080p. To switch to 720p, drag the slider to the left until it shows 720p. That corresponds to 1280 by 720 pixels, which is perfect for web uploads, quick sharing, and saving storage space. Choosing 720p helps reduce the file size while keeping your text, graphics, and animations clear for most viewers. Once the file type says MP4 and the quality reads 720p, click the Download button. Canva will start preparing your video. You'll see a progress indicator while it renders. This part may take a moment depending on the length and complexity of your project, so just let it run. When it's done, the video will save to your default downloads folder, ready to upload, email, or share on social media. A quick recap to keep it simple. Open your project, click Share, choose Download, set the file type to MP4, slide the quality to 720p, and hit Download. That's all there is to it. If your goal is fast uploads and consistent playback across platforms, this setting is a smart everyday choice. And if you ever need a higher resolution later, you can repeat the same steps and bump the slider back up. Thanks for watching, and enjoy exporting your videos in crisp, efficient 720p.